You can manage your credit union debit card from inside your digital banking. This allows you to instantly disable and enable your card in a variety of ways to help secure your accounts by preventing unauthorized or unwanted use of your debit card. To get started, log into your digital banking either in the mobile app or on your computer. Go to Accounts on your computer or More in the mobile app. Then choose Manage Debit Cards. This will bring up any of your credit union debit cards that can be managed. Select the card you want to manage. If you don't see the card you want to manage in the list, then that debit card is not yet compatible with the debit card management feature. If you like, you can enter a card nickname here by choosing the little pen icon on the right. Type the name into the field and then tap the green check mark or click Update. You can now set parameters for how your debit card can and can't be used by locking and unlocking your card for each of the situations below. When you make changes in this section, they will be applied to your debit card immediately, which makes it easy and very convenient to lock and unlock your card. If you would like to block all transactions on your card, you can use the Lock Debit Card toggle button here. Once you do, you will see a pop-up indicating that you have successfully locked your card, and you will notice that the lock beside the toggle button has changed to the locked position. This is a very useful feature if your debit card is lost or stolen. You can instantly make your card useless to anyone who may find it and try to use it to access your money. And of course, you can unlock your card at any time by turning off the toggle button. You will then see a pop-up notifying you that your card was successfully unlocked, and the lock icon beside the toggle button will change back to the unlocked position. While you may not want to lock your card for all transactions, it can be helpful to go through and lock it for specific transactions and situations where you do not usually use your card. This is an extra step you can take to help secure your accounts against any unauthorized or unwanted use of your debit card. You can lock specific card functions in a variety of ways using these options. You can block all Canadian ATM transactions or point-of-sale transactions using these toggle buttons. This may be helpful if you are traveling and won't use your card at home for a period of time. When you return to Canada, you can easily unlock your domestic ATM and point-of-sale transactions again. When you're not traveling, you may want to lock all international ATM or point-of-sale transactions. Then, when you do travel, you can go in and instantly enable those transactions again. If you never or rarely use a digital version of your debit card in a digital wallet, such as Apple Pay or Google Pay, you can lock your card for any contactless payments. You can also block your card for any contactless smart card transactions, where you use the tap or flash feature by holding your physical debit card to a contactless payment terminal. And once again, these can be re-enabled quickly and easily if you want to change your settings down the road. Not only can you disable and enable a variety of transaction types, you can also adjust your debit card daily withdrawal limits for ATMs and point-of-sale transactions. If you tap or click on the arrow to the right of Set ATM POS Limits, you will be able to see your current ATM and POS limits and enter a new lower amount by selecting the little pen icon beside each field. If your card limits are higher than your typical daily transactions, you can lower the limits to reduce and prevent loss from any unauthorized use of your card. If you need to make an occasional larger purchase, you can easily come back in and remove your lowered limit before you make your purchase. For additional security, you can even choose the provinces where you would like to use your debit card and lock your card for use in any provinces where you do not usually use your card. To do this, simply tap or click on the arrow to the right of Lock Transactions by Canadian Provinces/Territories. Then, simply use the toggle buttons to the right of the provinces and territories to lock the ones where you don't plan to use your card. You can always come back in and unlock them whenever you need to. And finally, you can also lock your card for certain types of merchant categories. Just tap or click on the arrow beside Lock Transactions by Merchant Categories and use the toggle buttons to lock any transaction types where you don't usually use your debit card. Once again, you can always come back in and unlock them whenever you need to.